Hey, what's up guys, my name is Akodidia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the skin smoothing technique I use when I'm retouching skin and in all my frequency separations on almost all my pictures in Photoshop. Kindly like this video if it helps you in any ways, and don't forget to subscribe to support me create more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so first and foremost, duplicate the background layer twice by pressing Ctrl and J twice. Rename layer 1 to color and layer 1 copy to texture. Now hide the texture layer and select the color layer. Move to filter at the top menu and hover down to blur and select Gaussian blur. This will bring up the Gaussian blur panel. On the Gaussian blur panel, change the blur radius to 6.4 pixels. Zoom out of the image to check if all the details in the image are blurred out and select OK. Now select the texture layer and make it visible. Move to image at the top menu and select applied image. On the applied image panel, go to the layer drop down and select color. Leave the channel at RGB and move to blending. Change it to subtract. This will bring about the ghost effect on the image, as you can see. Now leave the opacity at 100%, scale at 2 and offset at 128 and select OK. Change the blending mode to linear light. As you can see, our image is back to how it was before. Now select the color layer and click on the new layer icon to create a new blank layer on top of the color layer. Now select texture. Hold shift and select the color layer to select all at the same time. Press Ctrl plus G to put them in a group. Double click on the group name and change it to frequency separation. Open the group now and select the color layer. Now zoom into the image. I mostly like to start smoothing the body before I move to the face. Select the mixer brush tool and change your settings to the one above. Now start brushing gently on her thigh till you start seeing the smooth effects showing. Repeat the same to her other thigh. Zoom out periodically to make sure you are getting the effect right. When you are done with her leg, hold spacebar and drag the image to her hand and continue brushing. Pay extra attention to her knuckles. Repeat this process to all her skin until every part of her body is smooth. Now zoom into her face and continue brushing gently and smoothly for the best results. Let's do some texture cleanup now. Now select the texture layer and move to the tools menu and select spot healing brush tool. Zoom in a little more into her face and start cleaning up any rough spots on her face. Just dab on it or brush on it to clean up. Continue this to all her body until it's looking spotless. After this, select layer 1. Go to the tools menu and select the brush tool. Set the mode to normal, opacity to 14% and flow to 16%. Now move to the image and hold Alt and click on the image. This will sample the color and brush gently on the image. Repeat this to even out the tones of her skin. Now let's check the before and after. With the layer 1 still selected, let's change the opacity to 78% to reduce the strength. Zoom in and out to double check and correct all the parts that needs to be corrected. Let's close the group now and check the before and after. After everything, this was our results. Kindly check out other great tutorials on this channel and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your time. See you next time.